This right here was a payment I got for using Google Tool for 30 minutes. This is a stack of cash. Now, if you want to results like this and lot of cash, then all you have to do is go check this out over right here. As you can see, this payment was sent me for utilizing the simple tool I'm about to show you, for which require just 30 minutes of work. Now, results are not typical. You may earn more than this, the same or a little bit less. But I can tell you one thing, if you don't follow the exact steps in this video, the results like this will not possible for you. Anyways, so let's go ahead and jump into the 3 steps. Now the 3 steps to make $255 per hour from Google Translate are: number 1, I'm going to revealing how to utilize the Google tool to produce cash. Number 2, I'm going to show you the top 3 websites that will pay you big money. And number 3, I'm gonna show you my 1000 per day on autopilot system, but that will be as a bonus at the end of this video. So make sure to watch through the end of this video. But before we start, welcome to Gain Access, where we teach you how to make money online with the simplest and the fastest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell icon. So whenever we upload a brand new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any questions, concerns or opinions about this video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now this is right here is the Google Translate tool. This tool will not be paying you while utilizing to this tool, but we will apply this tool on 3 websites I'm about to show you, and these 3 websites are ranked from the lowest paying to the highest paying. So make sure to stick all the way through this video so you don't miss anything important. But the cool thing about this tool is that you can press this right here and everything that this tool hears will type out for you, and that's called transcriptions. You can even transcribe from English to Spanish, as you can see, or you can transcribe from Spanish to English and lots of other languages. Hundreds of other languages with this tool. So as you can see right here, this tool works awesome. I mean, it just transcribed everything that I said, and there are businesses out there that will pay you to transcribe whatever you hear. Okay, now you don't need to have to do the work. You're letting Google Translate tool to do the work for you, and it's completely free. So the money you are gonna make does not require any of your efforts. Just let Google Translate and do all the work for you. The first website that we are gonna go to is not the highest paying website. This is the lowest paying website, but it's the one you're gonna get started with. Simply head over to GoTranscription.com. They will pay you 60 cents per audio minute or per video minute. The average earnings per month on this website is $150, but the top monthly earnings, which are, more of what you are gonna achieve, is $1,215. Because you are using the tool, you will be able to get maximum output and be doing as many of these transcriptions jobs as soon as possible. So the monthly will be achievable utilizing this tool. Again, there are high paying websites out there that I'm about to show you, but this is the one that you are gonna get started with, especially an extra $1,000 a month. This is a great start as either a side hustler or something that you can actually build into a little bit bigger income. So all you're gonna do is press and apply now to this job. That's all you have to do, and you can get started with transcription.com. They have transcription jobs, so you can work from home and get paid reliably. You will receive weekly payouts, so that's actually really nice, because a typical 9 to 5 job, you get paid bi-weekly, you get a paycheck every 2 weeks, but they are gonna pay you directly to your PayPal account every single week. So you don't have to worry about your money. It's gonna be sent to you right away. Work flexible hours, work as much you can or little as you want. So if you have extra time during the day, you can do that, or maybe if you have a full day that you just want to make money the whole day, you can do that as well. Choose your project, receive great support, and grow your skills. Stay busy and just enjoy this transcriptions job with the tool that I showed you. So that this is a great site to get started with. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The next site is even better. This one is called GMR Transcription.com. Now this site is higher paying, and as you can see right here, this is the founder. You can view his LinkedIn profile, and as he said, our primary goal is to offer the highest customer satisfaction by offering accurate transcription and translation services. So lots of businesses, big businesses come here to get transcription job. So you now to get things translated or just get words from the videos. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to go up to careers, and you're gonna click on that, and that's gonna bring you to the next page. As you can see, there are thousands of businesses like McDonald's, Levi's, Tells, and even Amazon working with these companies. Once you click careers, it's gonna bring you to this page right here where it says transcribe better, earn better. This page also says our transcriptions typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Okay, now let's assume you are earning $3,000 from this site and maybe another $1,000 from the other site, and that's total $4,000 bucks. Anyways, the last site I'm going to show you payout even more better than this. So that really add up. So this is a great, you can just click here and apply general transcriptions or Spanish transcriptions, and I know that they pay even more better than this and Spanish transcriptions, but you don't have to speak Spanish. You just go over to Google Translate, and you can transcribe in Spanish as well and many different languages. So that is just really cool. Now if we scroll down, no fees or experience needed. It enhances your continuous growth in learning. Work from home flexibility. You can even watch the testimonials of this lady that you now has made hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month doing this, and this is recommended by a lot of different websites, and you can see that there are lots of people earning paychecks and enjoying their transcription job. So you can go ahead and apply here, and it's a great way to get started. Now the last site is the best site out there, the most reputable transcriptions out there, and that is rave.com. This where I have personally gone and spent thousands of dollars on transcriptionist, meaning you could have been on the other end of what I would have been giving you money, right? To do transcription for YouTube videos or promotion videos, for videos that I'm running for advertisements, and they charge the most because they have really fast turnaround times. And you know that they have bigger businesses coming to them, CBS, Viacom, PBS, really big companies are coming here and getting transcription services done. What you can do is apply on this site to become transcriptionist. Now this site is how much they charge. $1.25 per minute, and they charge even more for foreign subtitles, $3 to $7 per minute. So you can see how that can add up extraordinary. So that what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll all the way down, and you're gonna do to careers, and that's gonna open up the freelancers job. So we can see freelancing jobs, work from home with Rev, earn money transcription and captionation from home. So you can do this from home, from anywhere in the world. All you need is Google Translate, maybe a computer or even your cell phones. So create a flexible work, schedule your time. You can choose from hundreds of jobs every single day. Work as much as you want and get paid weekly. Receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed at the rate rev.com, and that is really cool. As you can see right down here, transcriptionists earn 30 cents to $1.10 per minute, and captioners earn 54 cents to $1.10 per minute. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell icon and smash the like button so you always have notification, so always receive awesome videos just like this. Thanks for watching.